What's up everyone? Today we'll be unboxing the new Dell 16. This is the DC16255 version in carbon black, featuring a 16.0 full HD display, and this is the Ryzen 7 version with 16 gigs of memory and 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. So let's get into it. So first impressions of the unboxing, I really wanted to highlight the ease of opening. So first thing you'll have to open here is the cardboard tab at the top by pulling away. Super satisfying. And then from there, you'll be able to flip it up and open. So Dell has made it really easy to open. You can see just opens like this, and once you open it up, you'll see the laptop housing is here, and you also have the charger on the right side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the charger out, and this is what we're working with here. You have a standard power cable and your standard power block, and it is a DC charger, so they haven't gone with the Type-C, so just something to keep in mind. But this laptop does have the capability of the USB-C charging. It does have that support. So let's go ahead and get the laptop out. So once you've gone ahead and taken the charger out, you'll see the cardboard housing right here, and you'll just have to remove that. Super easy, doing it with one hand, just placing that to the side. And you'll see the laptop here in its plastic cover. You go ahead and pull that out as well. Super easy, again, just doing that with one hand. And then there's another cardboard housing right there. So as we put it down, it says, "Welcome to Dell. Let's do great things together." I really like that. Great welcoming by Dell. And you can go ahead and turn it over just to remove that plastic. Also super satisfying. Again, super easy. Able to open the entire thing almost with one hand. Pull the plastic off. It reveals that really nice carbon black color. So I'm really excited, but you can see I just touched it. It does hold fingerprints a little bit, but seems to wear off. Once you open the laptop, you'll see another plastic cover here that surprisingly actually has some of the buttons open. So getting into the ports, let's start on the left side. On the left side, you have a USB-C that supports both power and display up to 4K resolution, USB-A, HDMI port, and then your power adapting port right here. On the right side, you have a auxiliary port and then another USB-A. So plenty of ports. I wouldn't feel bad about taking this to school or to work. I feel it'd be great for professionals or students. So first impressions booting this up is you have a lot of space. So with the 16-inch frame, they're giving you a full-size keyboard, full number pad on the right side, and the trackpad is plenty spacious. Two things I will say about this laptop. The keys are well spaced, so if you're typing on this for long periods of time, you may find some muscle fatigue in your hands. And one thing I will complain about is most laptops today have a privacy screen on the top for the webcam. They did miss the mark on that, but other than that, it's a really nice laptop, and I really like the matte carbon black finish. This laptop comes with Windows 11 Home and a 16:10 full HD display. It looks beautiful here under the studio lights, and there's virtually no glare, which I love for daytime usage. So let me know in the comments what your first impressions are, or what you'd like to see next tested with this laptop. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the like button. And once again, thanks for watching.